السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
وعليكم السلام.
وعليكم السلام
وعليكم السلام.
ورحمة الله.
So today, inshallah, it is our first class. So it will be introduction about Arabic. So first of all, I will tell you about our program. Then, inshallah, we start the introduction. Okay. So our program is about what? Is first of all, we are doing Qatari dialect. We are not doing standard Arabic. For the one who knows standard Arabic, this one is Qatari dialect, not the standard Arabic. What is the difference between standard Arabic and Qatari dialect? So the standard Arabic, all Arabic nationality, when we are in the school, they teach us just standard Arabic. It's like the language of Quran, okay? But between us, we don't speak like in school, we speak dialect. It is different. There is some difference between the dialect and the standard Arabic in the pronunciation, and also there is some words is not the same in the standard Arabic. But the dialect is more easy than the standard Arabic because in standard Arabic there is some rules that you must respect it, but in dialect no. Okay, so the dialect that we are doing is for all Gulf country, not just for Qatar. So, for example, if someone is, I have many students that are in Saudi Arabia, many students in Kuwait. You are in other country, for example, in Emirat, in UAE, in Kuwait, in Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, in Bahrain. In Yemen, in Oman, all of this one is the Gulf country. So, inshallah, we will see the map of the Gulf country in this unit. So, if you are in one of these countries, you can use the same dialect. And also there is some difference between the dialects. So I will tell you, if there is a difference, I will tell you, for example, in Qatar, they say like this, but sometimes if you speak to someone from Saudi Arabia, he will tell you like this, okay? So in my program, so this is my program, what I will do, it is 7 units. The first unit that we will do, it will be about what is about how to introduce yourself. So first of all, in the introduction class, we will see, inshallah, the greeting, how to say hi, hello, how are you, etc. And in unit 1, after you finish unit 1, you will be able to introduce yourself. That means you will tell me your name, where are you from which city you are, what is your profession, where do you live, with who you live. You can tell me also, are you married or no? How many children do you have? Okay, all of this one after you finish unit 1. After you finish with unit 1, you will be able to introduce yourself. After that, we have unit 2. Unit 2 is about directions. So in directions, I will give you all the vocabulary for directions after I finish because in the classes you will see, we'll listen to some conversation. I will ask some question. I will give rules. After that, I will give you like a revision. I will write a paper where I write something where there is just the vocabulary for direction. And I always tell my students the vocabulary that I will give, it will be enough for you to give directions and to understand directions. No need to more vocabulary. Okay. So I remember when I give this one of my students, he told me that when there is someone Arabic, he asks him the directions and he told him and he understand everything. I was happy because really what I will give, it's enough for you to understand the directions and to give the directions. This is unit 2. After unit 2, inshallah, unit 3 is about the numbers. So I will give all the numbers. Usually level 1 we give just until 10, but for me, I will give all the numbers. So you will be able to know all the numbers. After unit 3, you will be able to speak about, to tell me your number, your phone number, to tell me, for example, how old is your children, to tell me, for example, how long you have been in Qatar, how long you have been married, to tell me the date, to read the date also. So that means all the question with the numbers. After unit 3, we see unit 4. Unit 4 is about the time. After you finish unit 4, you will be able to tell the time. For example, I will ask you what time is it now? You tell me the time. I will ask you, for example, at what time you wake up? You will tell me the time. At what time you go to work? At what time, for example, the shop opens? At what time the shop closes? All of this one in unit 4. After this unit, you will be able to say it. Also, you will know the days of the week and you will know the month of the year. So all of this vocabulary, it will be inshallah in unit 4. Then after that, we have Unit 5 is about shopping. So after you finish Unit 5, you will be able to do bargaining, inshallah. You go to the souk to do a little bargaining. You will be able to ask how much something. You will be able also many things. So after Unit 5. Always after Unit 5 for the shopping, always what I do, I will do a revision for everything from Unit 1 until Unit 5, everything what we saw. In the revision is not because usually when I say revision, the student they thought that I will give new information. No, I will not give anything. Just I will ask a question. It will be like quizzes for you, exercises. I will, for example, I will come to one of you. I will ask you, introduce yourself. I will tell you have children, in which class your children. For example, where do you live? What is your profession? I will ask about everything. For example, I will tell you, I want to buy a mobile. Can you tell me from where can I buy a good mobile? So all of this one in the revision. After we finish the revision, we will start Unit 6. Unit 6, inshallah, it will be about restaurant. So you will be after we will see a little some name of some food, like for example, what is chicken, what is meat, what is a sandwich. We will see also, for example, what is tea, what is coffee, etc. in Arabic. After that, after Unit 6, we see Unit 7 is about the family. In Unit 7, about the family, you will know all the family member. What is your cousin in Arabic? What is your uncle? What is your aunt? All of this one in Unit 7, and we will see the occupation. And also in Unit 7, you will be able to speak about your routine. You will tell me, for example, I wake up at 6, then at 3:30, for example, then I pray. For example, I go to work at 6, I eat there, and you will tell me what you eat. So we will speak about your routine. Also, you will be able to tell me what you did yesterday and what you will do, for example, next weekend. This one all in the 7 unit. And during all of this unit, what we will see? A lot of grammar. A lot of grammar. I know it's boring a little bit, but what we will do, because for me, I want to help you to speak correctly. So we will see, first of all, how to conjugate the verb in the present tense. And you will see if you know how to conjugate verbs, and if you know verbs, it will be easy for you to understand people and to speak. We see it, inshallah, in Unit 1. I will give you the rule how to conjugate the verb in the present tense. And after that, I will send you a list of verbs that we use too much here in Qatar. After that, I will give you some sentence. I will tell you to translate. You will see that you will be able to translate it because you know the verbs and you know how to conjugate it. Also, we will see the possessive, how to say my, our, etc. We will see, inshallah, the rule of adjective. So how the adjective agree with the noun, etc. We will see some adjective, like for example, what is new, what is old, etc. All of this one, inshallah, we will see it in Unit 5 about the adjective. Okay, so you will see it's a lot of grammar. I know it's level 1 is not like level 2. Level 2 is better because in level 2, it will be more vocabulary. There is videos, they watch too much videos, not like level 1. Level 1, too much rules, and we see too much grammar. So always I tell my student, I'm here to help you to speak correctly, because when I go out in Qatar or even in other, when I go to in Saudi Arabia or when I go to other countries, so I see that they speak broken Arabic is not correct. Like for example, there is a word that I always listen to people, they say معلوم ما في معلوم. This is even not an Arabic word. It is the mean I know or I don't know. It's even not an Arabic word. It is wrong. And people they always use. Sometimes you find even an Arabic people he use with you, because even for me, sometimes when I speak to someone who speak broken Arabic, I will speak with him broken Arabic because he don't understand me when I speak correctly. So I'm here to help you to speak correctly. So 36 hours is not enough to give too much vocabulary, but we will try our best. During the classes, we will practice together. We will do conversation together. We speak together. For example, I speak to Khalid and Muhammad. I will tell, for example, Khalid, ask Muhammad, what's your name? Where are you from? Etc. All of this one, and Muhammad the same. So it will be conversation between us. We will try to know all the rules. Okay. Also, and all the classes, inshallah, it will be recorded. After I finish the class, the day after, I will send the recording and I will send also the PDF. You will find all the document, also the document that I will use before the class. I will send, for example, I will send to you. I will tell you this is unit 1 we will use today. Okay. So, and also you can contact me at any time if you have any question about anything. I'm available. You know my number. I am on the group. You can contact me on the group or even private. It's okay. Okay. So today class, inshallah, what we will see today class is introduction. So I'm sure that many of you know how to say hi, hello, etc. So today, inshallah, you will help me. Okay. So we start, inshallah, for the first class, as I told you, is about the introduction, how to say hello, etc., hi, etc. Also, as I told you, please, this classes is just the first step to help you to speak correctly. Please try, if you have Arabic colleague, even they are not Qatari, it's okay. Try to speak to them, try to listen to them. So even they will help you in the pronunciation. I have one student, before her pronunciation, it wasn't good. But I told her, put a Ryan channel, listen to it, Ryan channel, listen to Arabic people when they are speaking. Even you don't understand them, you will improve your pronunciation. Okay? So we can start now, inshallah. This one, who wants to ask me a question? Someone who wants to ask me a question? No? What? He's not speaking with me. Okay. Yeah. We start now the introduction. So I'm sure, as I told you, there is many of you, you know, some Arabic words like hi, hello, so you can help. Okay. Yalla, we start first of all with greeting. So we have in Arabic two kinds of a greeting. We have, I will start first, the greeting. Greeting. We have two kinds of a greeting, specific and non-specific. So what that means, specific and non-specific? So specific, that means we can use at any time of the day. So there is, we can use at any time of the day. So, and specific, we use just in the time. So we start with non-specific greeting that we can use at any time of the day is hello. Hello in Arabic is marhaba. Marhaba is what? Hello. Okay? You know literally the meaning of marhaba. Mar is God and haba is love. Marhaba. So what is the reply? So for the greeting, please remember, if someone tell you something, you don't know what you will answer, just reply the same. Someone tell me marhaba, I don't know what I will tell him. I will tell him the same. I will tell him marhaba. Next one. So here, someone tell me marhaba, I can tell him ahlan wa sahlan. You know, ahlan wa sahlan, this one is the formal one. Ahlan wa sahlan. This is the formal one. Ahlan wa sahlan, that means you are welcome. So the meaning of ahlan wa sahlan is hello or you are welcome. Or welcome, sorry. Okay, so for example, Khalid, he comes to my office, I will tell him ahlan wa sahlan. I mean, welcome. I can use like hello. Both of them, you can use like hello or welcome. And you will see most of the time when you go to any place, the receptionist, they use ahlan wa sahlan because this is the formal one. Next one. Someone tell me marhaba. I can reply ahlan. Ahlan is abbreviation of ahlan wa sahlan. It's the same. Ahlan or ahlan wa sahlan is the same. Next one is the one that Qatari they like too much, in Gulf country they like too much, is hala. Hala. Like the hala points in Uridu. Hala. So the meaning of hala is marhaba or hello. Why I told you this Qatari they like too much? Qatari they use too much to this one too much. Not just Qatari, all Gulf country they use too much. This one is between friends. So for example,